Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So today I'll be showing you how to export a Python file as an executable. So I have two Python programs here that are both very simple. The first one is just a GUI window that says hello world, and the other one is just a console that just prints out hi. I'm going to convert both of these so I can show you that this works for both GUI and console programs for the EXE file. So the first thing you need to do is pip install PyInstaller, and you can verify that it's installed by just saying PyInstaller -- version, and you can see I've got a response here. So in order to convert this first hi.py in the console to a .exe file, I'm going to say PyInstaller -- one file, and then I'm going to say hi.py, and click enter, and it's going to go through some steps here, and now you can see it says build complete. The results are available in this folder. So if I navigate to this folder, I can see I have this hi file, and if I double click it, then it will open up the console and print hi. So for the GUI, we're instead going to use another flag, which is -- no console. And now I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to change this to hi GUI.py. And again, it's gone through its steps and it's finished the build. So I'm going to go back to this folder and I have the hi GUI. So if I click on this, you can see that I have my GUI window open and I can maximize it and do whatever. And there's no console that came up either. So yeah, that's just a quick way to convert your PY files to EXE files. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next video.